Do you spend every morning creating a daily sales report from Google Sheets and emailing updates just to see team performance? Well, in this video, I'll show you the daily sales report workflow automation built with n8n. It reads your Google Sheet, summarizes the key metrics, and emails a clean, professional report to your team automatically. Let's see how it works. The workflow begins with a manual trigger. It kicks off with a one-time run. For production, you can schedule it with a cron so it runs daily at your preferred time. The workflow then fetches rows from the connected sheet like today's outreach or sales activity. Each row represents a representative's daily numbers. Next, it validates whether there's meaningful activity. For example, at least some calls or prospecting recorded. This prevents sending an empty report. Next, if activity exists, the workflow compiles a polished HTML summary and also prepares a plain text version for fallback or archiving. It computes total calls, total prospecting, and the record count, and it includes a timestamp for transparency. The result is a mobile-friendly email that's easy to read in daily stand-ups or performance reviews. Finally, it sends the report via SMTP/Gmail. The subject line includes the date and the total number of records, and the body contains the summary. Within seconds, the daily sales email lands in the inbox. At the end of execution, you have a consistent sales update. If you struggle with generating daily sales report and want a hands-free update on team performance, this workflow can save you hours of daily stress. You can download the exact workflow from the link in the description. If you found this valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. We'll be sharing more real-world automations like this. And if you want us to tailor this flow to your use case, drop a comment with your requirements. See you